As Yogakshemam series goes daily, Yogakshemam on 4th October 2020, theme, Next Now, Going Habit. Corona may flatten, more coronas may come, more crises around air, water, food, health, soil, climate, civilization seems inevitable. Planet is in crisis, we need to respond. In livelihood, poverty reduction, development across poor, vulnerable, marginalized domains. Remembered Gandhi, the inspiration written in 2007. The three principles, Sarvodaya and Antyodaya, Swadeshi and Satyagraha, economic, social, spiritual and physical well-being of all, local self-sufficiency, local interdependence and employment for all, trusteeship, non-violent direct action as a way of life with self-restraint and love and respect for all beings. For anyone immersed in the yoga of livelihoods leadership thought, Gandhi is inescapable. Remembered Shastri, the one who drove Kurian to start dairy board and replicate Amul's, and he did. Remembered the portfolio of livelihoods our family had or has and seen by over the last 50 plus years. From being a farmer, dairy farmer, tractor driver, tiller, weaver, migrant, mill worker, tailor, embroidery worker, master cutter, small enterpriser, to running a clothes shop, provision store, medical shop, retailer, to working as a community health worker, lobbyist, party worker or leader, cooperator, beady roller, labor contractor, masonry worker, teacher, artist, priest, mythologist, ballady, writer, to being a doctor, so on. Remember the spectrum of the communities that have led us to work with them. The time for change built on this reflection is now. 2nd October 2020. I am already in the third part of Sahasrachandra, transiting into third phase of life. Akshara too entered into its third innings, into being since 1998, Livelihood Framework Management Praxis, Scale 2007, and now going 7L, Meta, Coexistence. Let us mark this, going nature, 7L, Meta, habit, with emphasis on livelihoods includes education, health, leadership livelihoods, collectives enterprises, coexistence teams groups, more time, energy, resources in the field, more on payback, more on journeying Bharat, more with nature, more on celebrating life, contributing our 2 cents. India plan next 15 to 25 years, a team to work next 18 months. Continued push towards nature life and natural farming scaling, working on more 7L geographies and themes, more through partnering and supporting partners, animating and facilitating affordable services locally to communities, enterprises, livelihood support organizations, plans, chief experience officers, HR services, building 7L consulting team or teams nationally and beyond. Transition in next 2 to 3 years. Effort starting from 2nd October. Everyday Yogakshemam. Notes towards coexistence. 25 7L notes, 25 writers, 1000 conversations, 1000 classes, 100 visions, 100 stories, 100 models. Classics includes books, articles, 10 into 3, 3000 videos. Building an information portal, social media presence, interns and volunteers, A7L centers, data analytics, and artificial intelligence platforms for learning and value chains, community of life workers and ashram. We work towards having mentors, life workers for million hands. Each one of us devote 10,000 hours for usefulness, coexistence practice. Each one of us emerges and scales up as an interdependent leader. We would like to be in action before sun rises, 13 to 14 hours a day, 4,380 hours a year, portfolio to increase gradually from 30% in year O to 70% in year 4 for the above agenda. Remaining time may go into freelancing. Let us go habit now for 7L. Reading, writing, arithmetic, ICT, reflecting, unlearning, learning, practicing, pursuing, investing in relationships. Join us in the world of yoga, of leading livelihoods, thought, word, and action in coexistence. Saarthakyoga for 7L.